Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD, 2 terabytes. This is a durable, high-speed storage design to keep you moving. I really like this one because it's water resistant, looks sturdy for an external hard drive. And need this external hard drive, portable SSD, USB-C. Need this because of all this hot fire YouTube content I'm dropping. So used up all the storage space on my MacBook and need more. So excited to get this one. I'll drop a link in the video description on where I ordered this from. Wow. This is nice. It's, oh man, SSDs. It's like has a keychain hole here that's really nice. Super small, I mean. Jeez. Like, this is comparison to a gift card, to Amazon gift card. Like, it's the size of like a credit card. Very cool. Let me open this up. Wow, this is seriously really impressive. Let me get closer. I like the orange accents. Here's the side, here's the back. Here's the USB-C connector. Yeah, really nice. Set this down. It also comes with some cables, which is cool. USB. What's this? USB-C to USB adapter. I don't need this because most of my stuff is all USB-C now, but it's cool that they give this. Yeah, comes with a short little USB-C connector, and really nice. Going to transfer a lot of these YouTube videos from my MacBook to this guy for backup. Cool. Let me know what you think of this product in the comment section below. Again, I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can buy this from. And hope you're all doing well, everyone. Take care. Thanks for watching this unboxing video, and catch you all for the next video. Later.